Hey y'all, it's Mookie. Okay, so today I'm doing an unboxing of my Givenchy boots. So Givenchy has released some like boots for wider calves because I tried on the original boots and I couldn't fit them. The seller let me know that they were releasing some boots that are for like people with wider calves. He let me know when they got them, which was on Friday. No, it wasn't. What's today, y'all? Today is Friday. So he got them in on Wednesday and it's Friday. So the boots are here now. So I'm about to unbox them. Hopefully they can fit. And y'all about to see, okay? 1 second. So here they go. I'm about to cut this box open. Y'all, I only been wanting these boots for like forever, but at least like 2 years, and they kept selling out, which I mean it would have been dumb for me to get anyway. Well, not dumb because I didn't know, but I couldn't fit the regular one. So if y'all don't know, like the calf of the boots are like a 13.74 or 7.8, and my calves I measured once I got back home to Maryland are 15 inches. So baby, I was in there trying to push them boots up on my feet. I was like, ooh, I got it, because you got to get a size bigger. So I ended up trying on a 39 in the store because I'm originally a 38. What is this? The receipt, I guess. What is this? What is this? I don't know, y'all. But the 38 was too tight, so he told me to try on a 40. And I tried on a 40 and my feet like went straight in, but the top still didn't fit. So y'all, like, when I say I've been waiting for these, y'all, I've been waiting. I want to put some lotion on my legs, y'all, so I could try these things on. Because, baby, I was itchy. I was about to take the scissors to these, but just in case I got to send them back. Like, you could tell it's bigger. Like, it is not this big. This top part, that's probably why people be squeezing these things on, honey, because, baby, your calf probably like a 3-point. But I'm ready to see if these are too big or if they fit, and send it to the guy in Miami. His name was Leo at Givenchy. He was so sweet and helped me order these over the phone, honey. Like, I ran back to them my last day in Miami like, honey, I'm not from here, so when they come, can you please let me know? Baby, I'm about to wear these tomorrow, okay? All right, I'm about to try them on, and I'm gonna be back. So here they are, y'all. Like, that struggle with the squeezing your foot in the boot, honey, non-existent. Boot slid right on. Y'all, sorry for the lighting. I don't really got that much, like, that good of a lighting in my room. Y'all, I ended up getting a 40. What was perfect. The 39 was still too tight. So I was scared if I got the 40 in these that they would end up like being too big or whatever. But the 40 is perfect. Like, I could wear socks or whatever. I'm sorry, I keep looking up. This is my first time. Store. The 40 was perfect, but I was scared with the bigger calf that the 40 would be too big. But the 40 is perfect. Like, yo, I'm about to sleep in these boots. Call me Boots, honey. Miss Boots. Ooh, 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 you said ooh, ooh, ooh. Miss Boots, ooh, ooh. No, but I'm ready to take them off. So I've been looking to see if they put them online yet. They have not put them online yet. So if you are looking for these boots and you somebody like me and your calf was too big for the original boot, call a Givenchy store, honey. Ask them about the wider fit boots. This is their first year doing it. And this, measure your calf. So the calf on this one is 18 inches. So if you're like bigger than 14 inches and less than 18 inches, these boots will be perfect for you. Like I have a little room in them, so like my foot literally slid right in. Like that struggle that people be doing when they be talking about like it's hard to get the Givenchy boot on and off. If I can, I'm gonna record me. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to find somewhere where I could like put this camera. Like I need a daggone stand. Let me see if I could find like somewhere to sit this camera and I could like slide the boot on and off for y'all so y'all can see. Well, hold on. I don't know about getting them off. This is gonna be my first time taking them off. So we gonna see. Give me a second. Alright, so I'm about to pull it off. I'm just wiggling it. Slide it down. It ain't too bad. Alright, I took it off. And now I'm about to put it back on. Just watch how my foot just sliding. Boop. Bloop. Period.